Veni Eritrean, your name we sing. First black African victory you bring. Veni Eritrean, you conquered all. Your spirit soared, you stood tall. Veni Eritrean, with might so pure, you rode with strength, you're insecure. Veni Eritrean, you
It's the front and it's almost a slow motion sprint as Fred Wright moves on the left hand side. Vini and Gomai, Jasper Philipsen, now they really start to kick for the finish. 44 kilometers an hour, it's a sheer power uphill sprint for the finish. It's going to be Vini and Gomai,
Veni Eritrean, from your land so grand.
Gomai for Antamarshi, who's coming the fastest. It's a 4-up sprint, and here we go. It's Gomai to launch it from a long way. Gomai does launch the sprint. Right side, 250 to go. He hits the front. And Vini and Gomai there at the front. Vini and Gomai is staying. Can they come off his wheel? It doesn't look like it. Gomai's going to the line. Gomai's going to the line. Vini and Gomai. Slinging at the back here as Gomai's on the radio. And Antamarshi are going to take over. Now as the road does go on, looks to try and find his way through. Gomai waits still on the wheel of Bonaparte. It is Gomai now who launches. Gomai at the front. Can he stay there? It's history about to be written. It's Vini and Gomai who's going. Vini and Gomai with a force on the pedals. Right behind him is Mathieu Bonaparte, who's trying to come around the second to the line. Vini and Gomai. Mathieu Bonaparte. Gomai to the line. Gomai still has it for the moment. Has to keep it going. And Vini. More history is made. Eritrea.
Gomai is there, right on the wheel is Mads Pedersen about to strike, but Arnold De Lee is there. Pedersen now goes for the stage, Gomai goes across, and it is right in the centre. Mads Pedersen, Gomai, Bini and Gomai wins his first ever stage of the Tour de France for Eritrea.
Veni Eritrean, forever renowned in history's pages. Your name is crowned.